Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke from Charisma Inc. and the Conscious Success Plan. And I'm super excited to invite you to an event on conscious parenting for a chaotic world. So if you feel like as a parent or a caregiver for children, you are really struggling in terms of behavior or schedules or different elements of raising your children, or maybe you're a new parent and you want to start out on the right foot. I am a conscious parenting educator and also a conscious living coach, as well as a business owner. So I know how to juggle all of these different things can be very challenging, and add in any of your own past traumas and kind of things that you need to work through in your relationship with other family members or your partner, and it can really be challenging. So I'm super excited to be teaming up with Dr. Dan Gack, and he has some strategies to help actually resolve trauma as well as identify different triggers and how they're showing up in your body. So we're going to be hosting a workshop. You can find out the details in the link below, and we hope to see you there. And you can learn the strategies and elements of conscious parenting that you can add into your daily routine in very easy ways, plus some of the ways that you can also work to either heal yourself or be aware of some of the blind spots you might have so that your family and yourself can have a much more effective, productive, and enjoyable life.